A major donation is expanding free mental health support across the Lowcountry. The National Alliance on Mental Illness Charleston just received $50,000. Live 5's Kavya Ramesh shows us how that money will work to expand support across the entire community.
For many families, the toughest part is feeling like you're going through it alone. That's what NAMI's working to change. Now with this $50,000 donation, free mental health services are going to be expanded in the Lowcountry.
It wasn't all that long ago that people did not seek mental health care with the regularity that they are now. So people are not suffering in silence as they once did.
The donation is coming from HCA's Healthcare South Atlantic Division. NAMI leaders say it means they can reach more people where they are.
It's going to open more doors for us to be able to provide free support groups, free advocacy, free presentations, and free classes for the people in the Lowcountry that have mental health conditions in their families.
Part of the money will also expand outreach in more underserved areas and support plans to grow programming on local college campuses.
We do believe that NAMI's efforts and other efforts to bring awareness to those that have mental health issues, we are seeing positive results in that. More people are seeking mental health care than ever before.
Smith says the goal is simple. Make it easier to ask for help and keep stigma for keeping people quiet.
No one's alone, and that we are here to walk beside them and their families if they have a mental health condition, if they have questions about mental health, and also to stop the stigma around mental health.
NAMI says this donation sends a clear message. Help is here, and you don't have to face it by yourself. Reporting in North Charleston, I'm Kavya Ramesh, Live 5 News.
And as a reminder, if you or someone you love needs support tonight, you can call or text 988 for free confidential help. That's 24/7.